This is the only tutorial you will ever need to watch when it comes to buying reps. By the end of this, you'll know how to get any shoes, clothes, accessories, literally anything you can think of from China, except for 10 times to 100 times cheaper than normal. I've been buying from China for over 5 years now, and I've spent thousands of dollars trying every method there is. So I'll make sure to cover everything you need to know in just under 9 minutes. Now let's get right into it. First, in order to purchase anything from China, you will need one important thing: a shipping agent. If you don't know what that is, I'll try my best to explain it. A shipping agent is pretty much like a middleman. They're a big warehouse in China, and they do not sell any items themselves. They simply purchase items for us from Chinese sellers that we're not able to purchase from, because most Chinese sellers do not offer to ship their items outside of China. So a shipping agent will purchase the items for us and store it in their warehouse. Then they will take quality check photos so we can see exactly how our item looks, and then give us the option to return it if we think it looks bad, or ship it to us if we think it looks good. Now that you know how it works, picking one can be confusing. There are so many different shipping agents to choose from, and they all work the same, but I'm not gonna lie, a lot of them are too expensive, not trustworthy, or too slow. My personal pick right now is US Fans. And no, it does not mean you can only use it in the United States. They say US means universal, and they do ship to every country. I'd say they're the cheapest agent right now, and you can also get $800 worth of shipping coupons if you sign up with the link in the description. It does slightly support me, but it mostly benefits you. Once you signed up and verified your email, make sure to change your language and currency up here. After that, we can finally start looking for products. There's 3 main ways to find items. The first way is to look through subreddits. I have a list of a bunch of good ones for free in my Discord, and the link for that will be down in the description. But a very popular one is fashion reps. Here, people post their hauls and items they find, and will usually have the links in their post. So if you find someone's haul with an item you like, just click on the post, and sometimes they'll have item reviews right here or somewhere in the comments along with the item links. These links will either be a Weedian, TAOBAO, or 1688 link. These links are like a Chinese Amazon or Chinese eBay, and you cannot buy from them unless you live in China. Lucky for us, we're using a shipping agent, so you could copy that link and paste it into your shipping agent, which in our case is US Fans. Once you pull up the item, sometimes this image will be clear and sometimes it'll be blurry. If it is blurred or missing logos, don't worry, you will still get the item it's supposed to be. The seller just has to do it for copyright reasons. If other people bought it on US Fans before, you can see how their item turned out if you scroll down here. This way you can see if theirs turned out good or bad before you purchase it yourself. If there are no pictures down there, you can copy that same link and paste it into What to Cop, and you'll be able to see if anybody else has bought it on any shipping agent. Again, this way you know how the item turned out for somebody else before you buy it. If the item looks good, then you can go back to the product page and choose what color and size you want. Most of the time, items are true to size according to the brand, but just to double check, I usually copy the size chart and paste it into ChatGPT along with my height, weight, and how I want the item to fit on me, then ask it what size you should get. Once you choose that, you can select how many you want, then click buy now or add to cart, and you can also add it to your favorites. The second way to find items is through spreadsheets. This is honestly my favorite method because spreadsheets are organized better and have a variety of items. I personally made one for you guys with all of the best items I found, and I add over 50 items to it every single day. It's fully integrated within my Discord server, so it's so much easier to use whether you're looking at it on your computer or your phone. The link for that will also be in my free Discord down in the description. It's definitely worth checking out. I know there will be a lot of cool, unique items you'll find from it. Every item I add on here, I either personally bought in the past or seen somebody leave a good review on it on Reddit. So every item on here is good 1-to-1 quality unless I say they're not. Once you look through here and see an item you like, click it and just click the button down here and it'll take you right to the US Fans item page. Then it'll be the same exact purchasing process as before. With shoes, the sizing is most of the time in EU sizing, so if you don't know your EU size, you can just look up shoe size chart converter and convert your size to EU. And sometimes they will not show a shoe size and they'll make you leave a remark. Just select remark size and down here put your EU size and then click add to cart and they'll end up being the size you put. Lastly, the third way for finding items is through Yupo stores. You can find a list of a bunch of Yupo stores in my Discord right here. Yupo stores are like a Chinese seller's website and item catalog. One big Yupo store is Husky Reps. Husky carries almost every single brand in every category of clothes. To look at any brand, just go up here and you can see that they have pretty much everything. Once you find an item you like, just click on it and it'll have the link here along with the size chart and a bunch of other pictures down here. You could copy this link and paste it into US Fans just like earlier. Many Yupo sellers will blur out the pictures here. If they do look blurry, don't worry, it'll still be the item you put the link in for. And Husky is not the only Yupo seller. There are hundreds of different Yupo Yupo sellers for all different things. I'll make sure to have a bunch listed in my Discord for completely free, so make sure to check that out. Some sellers might only sell clothes, some only watches, some jewelry. It all depends on the seller. Now that you know every method to find items and have some stacked up in your cart, just go to your cart up here and select the items you want US fans to purchase. Then just click submit. And I just want to mention this now, the price you see here is not the final price and they are not going directly to you yet. Once you click submit, they're going to the US fans warehouse and they will store them for you. If the items look flawed or bad in the pictures they take, you can refund them. If they look good, you could keep them and store them for up to 90 days before you're ready to ship them to you. Depending on where you live and how big the package is, the price will be different. A small package to the UK might cost $25 and a really large package to the United States might cost $200. So that shipping price will be added on top of this price. If you want to see how much your items will cost to ship to you, you can use this estimator up here, then fill in the info. For the estimated box dimensions and weight, I usually just tell ChatGPT what items I'm getting and ask it how big my box will be in centimeters and how much it'll weigh in grams. Then just fill in that info and click search. Going back to your cart, once you have all your items selected, just click submit. Then just put your billing address and you can pay with either balance, credit card, or Apple Pay. Then just click confirm and pay. Once your items are paid for, it'll show up in your orders tab. And as you can see, I already ordered a lot. If this video gets 50 likes, I'll make a haul unboxing video showing all of these items and the quality of it. So if you'd like to see that, make sure to subscribe and join my Discord in the description. Also, all of these items can be found in the Discord spreadsheet. But once you pay for your order, there is a process. Once you submit your items, it'll go from purchasing to purchased to seller shipped to delivered. Once yours is delivered to the warehouse, US fans will show you your quality check pictures of your items. This whole process only takes around 3 to 5 days, so it's not that bad. Once you get the QC pictures, you'll have 1 week to choose to refund it or keep it. But once your item is delivered and says stored, it'll show up in the warehouse tab. This is where you'll choose all of your items that you want to ship to you. Just select all the items you want to ship together. I do recommend shipping in bulk since it'll save you on average shipping cost per item. I try to keep my packages under 10 kilograms to avoid any suspicion during customs clearance, so I have the least chance of getting seized. And for all of you guys who are worried about getting seized, don't be. I shipped over 70 hauls in my life and I never got seized once. Just buy insurance just in case and stay under 10 kilograms and you should be good. Once you have everything selected, you have 2 options, rehearsal or submit. Between these two, there isn't much of a difference. Rehearsal means they will pre-package it for you and give you the final exact shipping price, and you get to see how your package looks before it ships out. Submit is the most common option, and the only difference is you pay the estimated shipping price, which is usually always a little bit more than what it actually costs, and the difference gets refunded back to your US fans balance. For the video, I'll just click submit. When you get here, you can choose what kind of packing materials you'd like. I usually just select carton and stretch film. If you're getting shoes, I recommend telling them to fold the shoe boxes. It'll save a lot on shipping. Then here, just put your shipping address. After, you can choose your shipping line. It is different for every country, but I usually just choose the cheapest option with a decent delivery time and delivery rate. Also, remember to sign up with the link in the description. The shipping coupons you get will make this price so much cheaper. Once you choose your shipping line, you'll have to enter the tax declared value. I usually just leave it on auto. Then make sure you have insurance checked just for the super rare chance you possibly get seized. Down here, apply the coupons you get for signing up with the link or any other ones you have. After all that, click submit. Then just pay like you previously did in the video. After you paid, the package will show up in the parcel tab. And this is where you'll find the tracking number in a couple of days and any information you need to know about your package. Once you get your tracking number, it'll arrive in about 10 to 12 days. If you want to track it, I recommend using 17 Track. That was a full-on guide on everything you need to know about using a shipping agent and finding items. I hope all of you guys learned something with this video. If you guys need help with anything throughout this process, feel free to join my Discord in the description. And even if you don't need help, it's still a really chill place to hang out and you will get video updates. And by the time you're watching this, there could also be a giveaway going on in there as well. So make sure to join. Also, make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this and also the haul unboxing once this reaches 50 likes. Without wasting any more time, thank you guys so much for watching the video.